I don't know where to put it, but the kids playing too. Put it there. Good. Now sit up and hold her together. Sit in the tack. Sit in the tack. Sit. 3, 2.5. There. Now trot. Shorten your rein. Trot. Just trot. Nice and easy. You're going to learn to hold your rein. Maybe. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now trot in and canter out of the other diagonal. Even though you got a beautiful left landing lead. This is your first time riding her. Good. Good. There you go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Perfect. And let her walk. Now, this is a horse that you cannot get ahead of, and you cannot yeehaw. Okay? Understand this horse hasn't jumped in probably a week and a half. So, now was that much easier?
It was.
That was brilliant. Good job. Very good.